How to find your wallet address on Exodus. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to find your wallet address on Exodus. So let's get started. First, just head over to Exodus application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now from over here, what you need to do is just click on receive. So let's say you are going to receive some cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. So you can select any one of these. So I will simply select Bitcoin from over here, which is BTC. So to find your wallet address on Exodus, that means finding your Bitcoin wallet address, here it is. You can just simply copy this over here, or you can also actually click on the share button to actually share using different social media such as WhatsApp, Viber, Google Chat, Gmail, etc. Or you can simply copy the link from over here and simply share it with your friends directly. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.